How to buy world's fastest rewards token. So this token came under the symbol of WFRT. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply just go below, find your account, enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, before going to buy this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. And don't forget to check the Telegram channel too. So as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created 5 hours ago and increased by 32,000% in the last 24 hours. The liquidity unlocked by 100% at minimum investment in the safe place. And this token trending number 2 in the Solana section. To be able to buy this token, we will use the Radium for that. So if you don't, first of all, connect your wallet first. I will use the Bitget wallet for that. So after you connect your wallet, if you don't find your token here from the bottom, you can go back to this token page on the screener. Click here to copy the token address and go back and click here and select the Solana as a network. Now, as you can see, paste the token address here, click on add token and click on your token here. As you can see, we'll be able to see it here. So from the top, select the token as you can see, for example, Solana, and make sure that you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now type here how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive the token. As you can see, click on more info and make sure to read all of that information here. Click on stop and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy WFRT token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.